Welcome to Leon's Lock Pad. Got another lock for today. It is a Kingman brass lock, 3 keys, heavy duty, 50mm. Fabulous sum of $3.99. Secure robust padlock with 3 keys included. B&M retailed, so it's manufactured at B&M's as well. You can see there. Something I do want to say is that these master locks, I got these all from B&M's, and they are half the price basically compared to other places like B&Q and stuff like that. So if you want to look for a master lock for yourself, try B&M's. They're a lot cheaper there. I got this one because well, it's shiny. Not blokes alike with shiny things, but give it a whirl. There we go, look at that, shiny. It doesn't look like polished brass. It does look like brass, but not polished. It looks like there's either a lacquer coating over the top and it's dripped. It doesn't look right for some reason. I'll have to cut into it and find out if it is solid brass. There's the bid in. Not too bad. Let's get it picked. I've just got to say as well is thank you very much for all my subscribers. I do appreciate it, I really do. And thank you very much. Let's get this set up. There we go. Gonna use a self-valve wrench, top of the keyway. Let's have a look. Small hook. Let's have a go. Back of the lock. So there's a little bit, there we go. And we're trapped now. See if we can find that binder. There's 5 pins supposedly. So number 3 I think is the binder, but it's been a bit awkward. It's a very narrow keyway, and this is one of my thinnest picks I've got. It's a bit of a problem there though. Let's try this again. There we go, we're in there now. I found 3. To release a bit of tension then. Oh, there's 4 there. 5, I'm missing 5. Just can't get to number 5. This wrench is in the way there. I've had to release it all, I've reset. Very stiff in there. Definitely not precision pins. Let's try it. Well, there we go. It was a little bit fiddly, that one. I would have thought this one was a little bit quicker. Take the keys off. Does work perfectly fine. Like I say, I just picked it then. Like it was just a little bit fiddly, but there we go. I don't know really what to to say about it. It looks like a nice lock. The branding is obviously B&M's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is a 5-pinner. But I'm going to have to cut into this and find out if it is proper brass. Excuse me. But yeah, I don't know what to say really. Oh, I'll tell you what I can see though. I can see. I don't know if you can just see them in the light. There's one. There's another pin there. And there's a big one there for the shackle. That's something I didn't check actually. It's not hardened shackle. It has paws as well. It doesn't have bearings. Oh yeah. I can see now. Yeah, solid brass. It must just have a lacquer over the top. But yeah, it's not too bad actually. It's a little bit fiddly to pick. It's not one of the easiest ones I've done compared to, you know, some of these master locks which have been extremely easy and you're paying a lot more money for them. And this is, like I say, £4. The other thing that would have made this a little bit better would have it been a proper hardened shackle instead of being just steel. Which means it's going to rust. But yeah, it's not too bad. I wouldn't exactly class this one as junk. I'm going to have to do a few more things with this one and give it a good testing. But I hope this video was okay for you. Thank you very much for watching, and please subscribe and like, and bye.